Today I am sharing with you a new subscription box on my channel called Test Tube Beauty. And we are unboxing these products in 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, you've come to the right place to hit subscribe for new videos weekly. I'm always in the market for new subscription boxes and I stumbled across Test Tube Beauty. I was really intrigued by the subscription box. I believe after taxes and shipping, it came out to being $35. It's bi-monthly, started in July, so I got the July one, and I'm just really excited because subscription boxes for me, they're a lot of fun. It's a great way to build your collection, and it's also supposed to help calm me down on spending. Really excited to incorporate this one into my other subscriptions and unboxings, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite subscription boxes, because I am always looking to add more to my list. So let's go on ahead and get unboxing. So when I received this tube, it came in a normal cardboard box, and the first product was actually not in with this tube. It was actually outside, so I guess it just didn't fit into this. And it comes with this little pamphlet, and it tells you about all the products, retail values, and where you can buy the products. First product is the Sanita Skincare Brightening Peel Pads. These retail for $74. Whoa, never heard of this brand before, and I'm really looking for new pads to incorporate into my routine. I miss the Peter Thomas Roth ones, the unwrinkle pads that you could get at Ulta and Sephora. They no longer carry them. They have a new, I don't know if they reformulated or what, but they have some new ones out there, and I'm like, those unwrinkle me ones were so good. I started using the Skin Iceland Nordic pads, and they just weren't as good. I didn't really notice much of a difference. I was still really stuck on the Peter Thomas Roth ones. I went to go buy the First Aid Beauty pads, but Ulta severely messed up on 3 of my orders. They sent me 3 empty boxes, which has now been resolved. Since they refunded me, maybe I'll go back out and purchase them. I really wanted the free gift when it was Platinum Perk Day. Anyway, I'm in the market for new pads, and these are $74. These better be magic. It's a professional strength corrective treatment with active acids that eliminate excess oil, which I get from time to time, exfoliate, and even skin tone. Okay, so you better be evening out this redness and texture. Each jar comes with 50 convenient cleansing pads that come pre-prepped with the right amount of product, so application is foolproof. You use 1 pad a day, either in the morning or at night. The key ingredients, the holy trinity of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid, exfoliate, brighten, and stimulate skin natural renewal process for a bright, healthy complexion. I am a huge fan of those key ingredients. They do so many amazing things for your skin. Just be careful of salicylic acid. I know some people can be a little bit more sensitive to it. I'm a little surprised by the price point. Like I said, I don't know anything about this brand, so the price point, I'm like $74 for 50 pads. I'm excited to try them out. I was gonna declutter the Skin Iceland ones, but I'm just trying to use them up at this point, so when that jar goes empty, which they have maybe 2 weeks left in it, I'm definitely gonna incorporate these and report back in a skincare diaries episode, which reminds me I really need to do another skincare diaries. I still need to do a makeup diaries. I have a lot I still need to do. There's just so much happening. There's just so many makeup products that have been coming out to do a review on. Of course, subscription boxes right now, so I know this is going up a little later in July than I had planned. Still wanted to get it up. I really think this tube is really cute, and from being a chemistry major, test tube, those are really cute, so I just love this concept. And this is what the inside looks like. I guess the little square definitely would have been not fitting, so I'm just gonna grab from the next product that I see. Ooh, I've been wanting some of these. These are the Invisi Bobble Original, and these retail for $8. They're supposed to be better for your hair when you put them in a ponytail or a bun. Typically my hair is always in a bun just because I like it off my neck. Today is 99 degrees outside today, and I'm just like, that is disgusting. I like my hair in a ponytail better when I film, but my grays are peeking out, but I got that hair appointment on Tuesday. Whew. Anyway, really excited to give these a shot. I also signed up for FabFitFun, which I didn't unbox. Summer's already almost over, so I just didn't feel like unboxing my first box. So for the fall box, we will see you there. And I also got some of those as well, so I just haven't tried them yet. These are the traceless hair rings. So if I were to take my hair out right now, it would probably be hard to tell where the crimp is because my hair is naturally wavy. You can see like there's a wave going on. It's supposed to help not crimp up your hair. My hair is already damaged as it is right now. I got some split ends going on. Since I am getting a haircut, I'm gonna definitely try to use these moving forward. I just have really thick hair. It's really hard for my hair to twist up into ponytail elastics anyway. Starting out with hair elastics, my hair can really only make it around twice. But I force it to 3 times. Sometimes it breaks, sometimes it makes it to 3. And then by the time it's about to like break and snap on me, I can maybe get 4 out of it. But that's just like my only concern. Like I don't know how far these can stretch. It definitely looks like it's just tiny. I hope I can get 3. I like my hair to be tight in a ponytail or in a bun because it will just start falling out. There's just so much hair. I do need to get better about taking care of my hair. I used to do hair masks and using better shampoo, but my hair just does what it wants. So I'm just like, if you're not gonna appreciate the products in time, well, why should I? It's like a Wonder Ball. What's inside? The next product, we have the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion, and this retails for $14.99. SPF is so important. Better be putting it on your face. We don't want skin cancer over here. It's funny because when I did my morning scare routine, I don't know if I've really changed any products to do like a revised one, but I forgot to mention that I do put SPF on. I do keep some bottles of sunscreen on my counter in my bathroom. I normally use the sport ones. I like to sweat for some reason. I don't know. It's gross. I know, TMI. I didn't want to hear that, but I do. I just want to see maybe how does this compare. It's water resistant for 40 minutes, and I think that the active sport ones are for like 60 minutes, maybe an hour and 30 minutes. I don't know. This is SPF 30. That's actually pretty decent. There are like theories that anything beyond 50 doesn't really matter. It's just for show, but I like to at least put 30 on my face. I do have more of an olive skin complexion, so I definitely tan really easily. And Gryffindor has like the fairest of them all skin, and he just burns. No matter how much sunscreen he puts on, he still is red. I will definitely get some good use out of this. You can never have too much sunscreen. For as long as I can remember, I want to say like middle school was when my mom was like hounding me on wearing sunscreen and getting a skincare routine. You don't really think about it in middle school. You're just kind of like, yeah, sure, mom, whatever. And then you get into high school and you're just like going through the puberty and you're just like, oh no, my skin. And then you come into college and you're like, wow, okay, my mom was right about something. And then here we are, you know, years after college, and I'm always teasing Catherine because like now she's getting into a skincare routine. She just thought I was crazy about it, and then like her mom and her friends got into it, and then she was like, wow, Amanda was right. I'm always like tagging her in things on like new skincare products. I think skincare is really important, and I know I have my slip up days when I don't always take the best care of my skin. I always try to at least do like the bare minimum of exfoliating, cleansing, moisturizing, and SPF. All right, enough of that rant. What is next? Ooh, what is this? This is the Skin Research Laboratories new lash. This retails starting at $95. So I wonder if this is the one that's worth $95. This is a powerful once-a-day serum with peptides that strengthens lashes and delivers nutrients in the blink of an eye. I really wish I could use lash serums, but I think there is an ingredient. I haven't looked through this list of ingredients yet, but there have been times where my eyes just don't agree with lash enhancing or brow enhancing ingredients, so I'm going to save this for a giveaway. It's ophthalmologist tested and dermatologist tested as well, clinically proven to be safe, gentle, and effective. But I do have really sensitive eyes, so I just don't use products like these even if they are safe. With me, I would have an adverse event just because of irritation. I wish, because I got some pitiful lashes. My brows have been doing better since I've been really strict on myself going to the European Wax Center. These are filled in. Don't let them fool you. I had really thin brows back in the day. They used to be really sparse and had some gaps just from picking at them. I wish I could do something for my lashes. I am thinking about trying castor oil just to see if that does help. My lashes, man, they could use all the help that they could get. Next. Oh, okay. We got to like work to get this product out. Oh, there's like stuff everywhere. What am I doing? So we have the Lids by Design Transforming Appearances Medical Grade Instant Eyelid Correcting Strips and Tweezers. And this retails for $29.95. No idea what any of this means besides tweezers. I don't use tweezers no more. It is too tempting to start plucking random sparse hairs. I think I'm just gonna set these aside in here for a giveaway. And then these are eyelid correcting strips that recontours the look of heavy hooded eyelids in seconds. I do have hooded eyelids, but I wouldn't say they look heavy. Find your unique eyelid fold, usually where your makeup gathers, and place the strip directly on that line. Though I am curious, I don't think I'm gonna use it, so I'm just gonna set these aside as well. I'm gonna put them with the tweezers and just put this little bundle to the side with the lash serum for future giveaway. Still have some couple products left. Next we have the Daily Concepts Charcoal Multifunctional Soap Sponge, and this retails for $8. This is a 2-in-1 soap sponge infused with charcoal that cleans and smooths skin in a single swipe to save you time. This is really awesome. I have not tried it before, but I am really intrigued. But I'm going to set this aside as well for a giveaway just because I'm really obsessed with my current skincare routine. I have recently switched my exfoliator and been going back and forth on some new moisturizers as well, so I'm really content with it despite like texture I have going on here. I think it's partially stress. I also need to do a nighttime skin routine. Smash that like button if you want to see my nighttime skin routine. I've been talking about it forever of doing that, and I just haven't gotten around doing it. A couple products left. Next we have the Chamonix Genucel Plant Stem Cell Therapy, and this retails for $89. We definitely have some pricey items in this tube. I almost said in this box. This is a powerful treatment for under eyes, bags, puffiness, and fine lines. It is so hard for me to find a good eye cream. I am obsessed with the Ole Henriksen Banana Seed Eye Cream. That is my go-to holy grail. Haven't found anything that has beaten it yet. There's one eye cream that has come close. It just doesn't brighten, but it moisturizes really, really nice, and I have high hopes for this. I really hope it works out. It is so hard to find another eye cream, but I will say I can probably get 2 of the Ole Henriksens for the price of this. I am excited to give this a shot and see how it gives Ole Henriksens a run for its money. So I thought I had 2 products left, but I just realized it was just part of the Invisibobble original. It's like a bobby pin that goes with that. We have 1 product left. And then the last product, we have the Skin Actives Collagen Serum, and this retails for $20. I struggle so hard to find a serum. There's only been like 3 serums that I have truly, truly loved. It's the Glam Glow Charcoal one. We got it in the limited edition skincare BOXYCHARM if you purchased it. The Chacho Violet one, which is amazing as well. And then the Sunday Riley A+. Those have been like the best serums that have worked out for me. We shall see how this serum works out. It says this vegan formula does everything from minimize the appearance of wrinkles to even out skin tone, which is exactly what I'm looking for in a serum. I do have dullness, I have redness, I have pores, I have lines. I will say I've done some things that just probably were damaging to my skin. Did not think about it in the long run. Like the days of just like not cleaning my skin or not wearing SPF or smoking. Just like some stuff like that has had some long-term damage to my skin. You live and learn, and you can only do what you can. Even though I do get flattered when people are like, you're definitely not your age, and I'm like, my license says otherwise. Like I had to get a new phone when we were in Cedar Point, and the lady was questioning me if I was over the age of 18. I am in denial about it too. From my first test tube, I think that this was a really fun box. I definitely think there's some really good high value items in this box. I believe each tube is supposed to retail for over $150. So for paying $35 and getting all this, I think we are in a good position. I'm really excited for my first tube. I am pumped for these hair ties. So we're gonna see how the eye cream and the serum does. Also these pads as well. I hope that this is a new holy grail, even though I really don't want to pay pay $74 for them. And then can't go wrong with some more sunscreen. And then we have a few items in this tube that will be going in a future giveaway. So please be sure you are subscribed and you have your notification bells turned on for when that next giveaway will be announced. Let me know if you guys have test tube beauty. What was your favorite product? What product did you like the least? Do you guys think that this is a good subscription? And also leave me a comment what other subscriptions you have. Definitely would like to add more to my list. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.